Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the potentiometer and panel of your Thermomix TM31. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed to complete this repair successfully. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a multimeter for testing the potentiometer. Make sure you have a clean working area to keep your components organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the electrical outlet to ensure safety during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel of the device. There should be 4 screws, keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the bottom panel away from the Thermomix. This will expose the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior using a dry cloth or a soft brush. This cleaning step is crucial for maintaining the device's performance. Now, locate the potentiometer, which is typically found near the control panel. The potentiometer is a small cylindrical component that controls the speed of your Thermomix. If you suspect it's malfunctioning, now is the time to replace it. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry the potentiometer out of its housing. Be cautious not to damage surrounding components. If you're unsure about handling this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind when deciding on repairs. Once the potentiometer is removed, take your multimeter and test its resistance to confirm if it needs replacement. If it shows irregular readings or no continuity, it's time to install a new one. Insert the new potentiometer by aligning it properly with the housing. Press it in gently until it is securely in place. Now, let's move on to the panel. Remove it by unscrewing any screws that hold it in position. Again, keep these screws together for later use. After the panel is removed, clean the area behind it to ensure there's no residue that could affect the new panel. If you require a replacement panel, consider our services as we can provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once you have your new panel, align it carefully with the mounting points and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could lead to damage. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Replace the bottom panel by aligning it and securing it with the screws. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember that we provide quotes before repair. This means you'll know exactly what to expect without any surprise costs. Finally, plug your Thermomix back into the outlet and test the new potentiometer and panel. Ensure all functions are working smoothly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. No calls, no travel needed. Our professional team is here to assist. Thank you for following this guide on replacing the potentiometer and panel of your Thermomix TM31. With the right tools and a little patience, you can restore your device to optimal working condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.